Hi everyone, and welcome to the very first episode of the CSE podcast. Today, we're going to talk about some of the major electives that are being offered next semester by the CSE department. Our professors are going to talk about what you're going to learn in each course and how it can help your future career. First up, it's mobile applications.
Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon. I'm Dr. Tamer Shanable. I will be teaching the mobile app development next semester. This course is really suitable for students who have a Java programming background and with special emphasis on object orientation. So we expect students to be comfortable with the concepts of inheritance and the concepts of implementing interfaces in Java and so forth. The course will introduce app development to you, and it has three parts. The first part is introductory part to app development, where you will be developing simple apps. The second part is more advanced, and it contains things like asynchronous tasks, downloading files from the net, parsing, services in the background, notifications, databases, and so forth. And the third part, it includes integrating apps with Firebase servers to be able to create apps with multi-users. If time permits, at the end of the semester, we also look at Kotlin programming language, which is also used with Android. So that depends on the time. Usually we try to spare around 3 weeks for the Kotlin programming language at the end of the semester. The way that you will be evaluated in this course is that there will be a number of quizzes. There will be a practical midterm, and the final exam is also practical. So when we say practical, it means that you have access to the PCs, you have access to the slides, you have access to the internet. Because of course I don't expect you to memorize all the syntax of Java. Typically in the exams you'll be asked to develop an app to do a specific number of tasks. So all the exams are practical. I wish you all the best, and I look forward to seeing you in the course.
Hello, this is about CMP 466, which is the Machine Learning and Data Mining course. I think the students should take this course because machine learning as a subfield of AI is a hot topic nowadays, and it is the future of technology. Just to give you an overview, machine learning focuses on creating models that are able to learn from historical data and can be used to identify patterns and make future predictions. Machine learning has so many applications in different fields, and there are many industries that are already using AI and machine learning. So it is a good career path. The machine learning toolkits that will be used in this course are all Python based, so students taking this course can benefit from knowing Python. In this course, several key topics in machine learning and data mining will be covered, such as data preparation, pre-processing, supervised learning techniques such as classification or regression, and unsupervised learning techniques such as clustering and association rule mining. Other topics such as feature selection, dimensionality reduction are discussed in this course as well. The course is taught using the project-based learning approach, where the students will work in teams on a project starting from the beginning of the semester. The students will get the chance to choose a topic and the data set of their choice, and they will apply all the techniques covered in class to this data set and to their project. They are expected to submit a progress report in the middle of the semester and the final report at the end of the semester. Regarding the students' evaluation in this course, the students will be evaluated using different methods, such as exams that are all combined worth 65% of the total grade. The team project is worth 20% of the total grade, and there will be also assigned homeworks and quizzes. Thank you for listening, and good luck in your course registration.
Hello, this is Dr. Imran Zulkarnain. I'm telling you about my course, Neural Networks, which is COE 476. Why should you take this course? Well, most interesting applications in artificial intelligence, including autonomous vehicles, fraud detection, etc., use neural networks. And so this is a very useful skill to learn. What's in the course? The course consists of two parts. The first part essentially introduces the basic algorithm for neural networks called backpropagation. So we go through the math behind it, we try to understand why it works, and we implement the algorithm from scratch using Python. Then in the second part, we move into applications, and we use the high-level libraries like Keras to implement neural networks. We go through and solve problems using convolutional neural networks, problems involving images, problems involving audio data, and even problems involving text. Then we discuss some more interesting advanced architectures like autoencoders. We also discuss GANs, which, for example, generate deep fakes. And if we have time, we may also discuss transformers this time. The course has one midterm, which is all about programming, typically 2 quizzes, which are also programming, again based on Python, and then one final exam, which is also primarily programming. And then there's a course project where you have to go and take an interesting data set and build a neural net to solve the problem. So overall, the final exam is about 30%. The project typically is between 20-30%. So I hope you're able to take this course. Thank you.
Finally, the last course we're going to discuss today is COE 444 Computer Security, which is being offered by Dr. Fadi Alou. Why should you take this course? Cybersecurity is currently one of the hottest specializations in the market, and it becomes even more important as we get into big data, Internet of Things, and smart systems. There are many specialities within computer security, and in this course you will be introduced to the most important ones. The course covers a broad variety of topics in computer security, from authentication and authorization to cryptography, social engineering attacks, network security, and security management, and the ethical and legal issues in computer security. It also gets into more recent fields such as blockchain technologies. In addition to theory, a significant component of the course focuses on ethical hacking practices. Every 2 weeks, you will be given an assignment where you will be working with ethical hacking tools such as Kali Security Suite in order to execute security attacks, mitigate others, and even learn how to apply forensic tools in order to investigate an attack. The homework assignments feel like puzzles that you are out to solve. Before you take the course, it helps to have a good understanding of computer security, as well as knowledge in using Linux-based systems, which will help you while working with Kali. You will be assessed based on your performance in quizzes, midterms, and the ethical hacking assignments. You will also be working on a project that you execute in any topic you like within computer security. The project often develops into publishable work and is usually incredibly fun to work on. This brings us to the end of today's episode. Which course are you more excited to take? Talk to you next time.